In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to Figma. This tutorial will be a quick and straightforward guide, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Figma account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. From here, navigate to the Figma file or design where you'd like to add your custom fonts. Open that file by selecting it. Once you've opened your project, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the Actions button. Clicking this will open up a menu with several options. The next step is to click on the Plugins and Widgets tab, which is nestled within the Actions menu. This is where the magic begins. In the search bar that appears, type in fonts. As you start typing, Figma will present you with various options related to fonts. Among these options, you'll see some standout choices such as font collections, Google Fonts, variable fonts, and font pairing. These are excellent resources as they offer a wide array of fonts to choose from, each with its own unique style and character. Take a moment here to scroll through the available fonts. This is your chance to decide which font might best fit into your design project. Once you've found a font that catches your eye, click on it. At this point, you'll see a bit more information about that particular font. If it looks like the right fit, you'll notice a download icon nearby. Click the download icon to proceed. After downloading, you'll find a frame stocked with the chosen font ready for you to edit and use within your design. This is a great opportunity to experiment with the font, ensuring it complements your overall design aesthetic. Moreover, if Google Fonts has piqued your interest, you have the option to download any of these fonts directly to your computer. This can be incredibly handy as it allows you to have these fonts readily available for offline use as well, adding a layer of convenience and versatility to your design work. And there you have it. That's how you can efficiently add custom fonts to your Figma projects, elevating your design work with ease. I'd like to thank you for following along with this tutorial today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more design tips and tutorials. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.